Hey, Mark here from Climate Care. Your family life is already hectic. You don't have time to deal with major problems around the house. That's why it's important to make sure that things like your HVAC system run smoothly, so you stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter, keeping everybody happy. See, just like your car, you need to clean, lubricate, and maintain your HVAC system to keep it operating efficiently. Your warranty may even depend on the maintenance of your equipment. The more regular the maintenance, the more your contractor can lower the cost of ownership by replacing any parts covered by the warranty. Plus, they can detect issues before they become failures. For example, a motor failure can cost you hundreds of dollars to repair. But if your HVAC system is maintained and tested regularly, a faulty component that would lead to that failure can be repaired at a fraction of the cost before the motor even has a chance to break, saving you money and a major headache. So keep your HVAC system running as smooth and efficiently as the day it was installed, and keep everybody in the house happy. Get in touch with the pros at Climate Care. We'll keep you running through every season.